Yep.
Is the m power of xa plus power of plus xb power is multiplied with xm or just independently?
Sorry, can you say that one more time? Where are we looking?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Is the xm multiplied the x behind or not? The xa plus xb is independent.
Are you here or up here? Here or down here? This is saying, I want to make, when I multiply those together, I've got the same base, I would add the indices. So this is AN minus AK plus BK. AN minus AK plus BK. And I want to get a particular power. I want to find which term will give a particular power. I'll solve it equal to the power I want. So if I wanted the term where x was to the power of 4, I'd be solving this plus this index here equals 4. Okay. Alright, so the last thing was, I said to you for binomials, as long as there's only 2 outcomes, so it can be success or fail. Heads and tails is easy, there's only ever 2 outcomes. But if we're talking about rolling a die, the only way it would work is if we said, what's the probability of getting a 6 or the probability of not getting a 6? You can't do a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5 or a 6, right? So you have to divide it into 2 different sections for the binomial theory because it's only talking about 2 different options, right? And that's where if we wanted to roll a die 6 times and we wanted the probability of getting exactly 5 6s, then we'd be looking at, so if I go e.g. probability of exactly 5 6s on 6 rolls of a die, then that would equal, so we're looking effectively at the expansion of 1/6 plus 5/6 to the power of 6. 6 rolls of a die, probability of getting a 6 is 1 out of 6, probability of not getting a 6 is 5 out of 6. So I want 5 6s, so I want my power of 1/6 to be to the power of 5. So I'd be looking at 6C5, 1/6 to the power of 5, and 5 6 would therefore be to the power of, what adds up to 6 rolls altogether? If I'm having 6 rolls, remember your powers also should always add up to that there. Okay? And that would give me my probability without having to work out all the different options on some sort of tree diagram and add them all up. But again, we can look at that further and make sure you're okay with that.